Today I will show you how to download Sodium for Minecraft 1.21. First, you are going to need a mod loader for Minecraft. As you can see, I am using Fabric. You can just go and download it from their official website, or watch my other video on how to download Fabric. After this installation, just go and search Sodium for Minecraft. Open either of these two websites. I'll choose CurseForge. Now, click on this download button. From this drop-down menu, choose your game version, and also choose your mod loader. And simply click on this download file button. And after downloading, just go and copy this mod, open your Minecraft launcher, go to this Installations tab, now hover over to your installed mod, and click on the folder icon to open its location. In the File Explorer window, open this mods folder and paste the Sodium mod right here. Again, in the Minecraft launcher, go to the Play section. Make sure to run the game using Sodium installation. And it's done. Sodium mod has been added to Minecraft.